This video will show you how to apply for an Electronic Travel Authorization, or ETA. To check whether you need an ETA, go to gov.uk/electronic travel authorization. It is best to apply early, before booking your travel. If you cannot apply yourself, someone else can apply for you. The simplest way to apply is using the UK ETA app, which makes it easier to take pictures of yourself and your passport. To get started, visit gov.uk on your smartphone, or you can go directly to the UK ETA app on the Google Play Store and App Store. If you do not have a compatible smartphone or are applying for someone who is not physically with you, you can apply online on gov.uk instead. You will need the passport you will use to travel to the UK, your email address, and a credit or debit card. Alternatively, you can use Google Pay or Apple Pay. When you start your application, you'll be asked to take a picture of the photo page of your passport. Make sure all the details are clearly visible. If you are applying online, you can upload a photo of your passport. If you are using the app on a compatible smartphone and your passport has a biometric chip, the app will ask you to scan it. Place your phone on the front cover of your passport. You will hear a beep when the chip has been read. If you have any problems, you'll be asked to try again. If you keep seeing an error, you can skip this step. Next, you'll be asked to scan your face to confirm your identity. Hold the camera in front of your face and keep your face within the oval. Children aged 9 and under will not be asked to scan their face. You will then need to take a photo of yourself in the app. If applying online, you can upload one from your device. The photo must include your head and shoulders against a plain background, without shadows or objects behind you. Look directly at the camera, have a neutral expression, and keep your head straight. You must not have anything covering your face and eyes. Do not wear a head covering unless for religious or medical reasons. Finally, we will ask you a few questions. You will not need to give details of your travel plans. Complete your application by paying with your credit or debit card. You can also use Google Pay or Apple Pay. You will get an ETA reference number and an email to confirm you have applied. When we have made a decision, we will email you to confirm the outcome. We aim to have a decision with you within 3 working days. Your ETA will be digitally linked to the passport you applied with, so when travelling, you will only need to show your passport. We look forward to welcoming you to the UK. To find out more and apply for an ETA, go to gov.uk/electronic travel authorization.